Welcome to C Homes. Today I am going to illustrate you about MH4 house type. This house consists of 4 bedrooms, 1 in the ground floor and 3 in the upper floor. First we must see the ground floor plan. For this house we need a land of 32 feet 3 inches by 54 feet 3 inches. The house footprint will be 34 feet 3 inches by 26 feet 3 inches. Now we must see the layout. There will be a front veranda dimensioning 11 feet 3 inches by 6 feet 5 inches. You enter through the main door into the living area, dimensions 12 feet 9 inches by 12 feet 9 inches. Adjoining to the living room, there will be a dining dimensioning 14 feet by 11 feet 3 inches. The back side of the house, there will be a pantry which you can use as a kitchen, the dimensioning 10 feet by 12 feet, and adjoining to that there will be a bathroom 4 feet by 9 feet, and there will be a ground floor bedroom 10 feet by 12 feet 5 inches. Now I will illustrate you about the structure. There will be a RCC column embedded into the wall. So first I will mark the RCC columns. Now I will mark the 9-inch thick brick walls with blue color. And all internal wall will be a half-inch brick wall. I will color it with the pink color. Now I will give you the sizes of the doors and windows. First I will mark the doors. This is D1. I will give you the size later. Room doors will be D2. Kitchen door will be D2. Bathroom door will be D3. Then the windows, the living room window will be W1. Dining room window will be W2. Again the bedroom window will be W2. Kitchen will be W3. And the toilet will have a fan light for ventilation. Now I will give you the sizes. D1 4 feet by 9 feet. D2 3 feet by 9 feet. D3 2 feet 6 inches by 9 feet. Then the windows W1 8 feet by 8 feet. W2 6 feet by 8 feet. W3 4 feet by 5 feet. After that the fan light 2 feet by 4 feet. This is a stairway which goes to the first floor. Next I will explain you about the first floor. First floor consists of 3 bedrooms. The bedroom number 1 dimensioning 10 feet by 12 feet 5 inches. The other bedroom 10 feet by 12 feet 5 inches. The master bedroom, it will be 12 feet 9 inches by 12 feet 9 inches. And there will be a gathering space we use as a living area. The dimensioning 14 feet by 10 feet. And this is the void which we use as a courtyard in the ground floor. So you can look down through this courtyard into the living dining area in the ground floor. Now I will mark the columns. Above this bathroom, you can place the water tank, and this is the roof for the ground floor veranda. Now I will mark the 9-inch brick walls with the blue color. And 1/2-inch wall with the pink color. If you want, you can put some windows to these two walls looking downwards. All these bedrooms have the balconies, which is 3 feet wide. This is the 3 balconies, 1, 2, 3. Now I will give you the doors and window sizes. Room doors will be D2. Bathroom will be D3. All the rooms doors will be W2. Bathroom ventilation will be through a fan light, we call it F. And this will be a 3 feet high railing. Again, this will be 3 feet high railing. This is the roof for the veranda. And for the TV lobby, there will be W2. So this is the basic illustration of this plan. If you need further clarifications, you can ask me through the comment box, then I will give you the answers through that. So you can refer my 3D version of this MH4 house plan and get the clear idea. If you want to see the further plan like this, you can subscribe my channel and ring the bell so you can get the notification when I upload the videos. Thank you.